let's try to get a little bit of sense of what is it about AI and customer experience that makes it so both disruptive and compelling. What AI has done and continues to do is redefine the way we are able to comprehend the world. We've been living the crazy ride of digital computing. And that was based on a very simple and very elegant architecture. That's popularly called the von Neumann architecture, for those of you who know the mathematician. This time around, the transformation of the data is a statistical one. So this one extra widget or component, which is a statistical transformer, is what we have added to the mix of what used to be logical transformation, which was digital computing, and human expertise, obviously, in the mix. These three components, in different ways, wired together, is what comprises agentic assembly, agentic tools, agentic workflows. At the end of the day, it's about ROI. The ROI that we get from implementing our solutions in your environment. It's a big prize. In the world of business, customer operations, which is largely customer service and contact center with some service and sales in it, is the largest labor-intensive component in the economy. In that space, the area that we are seeing the most excitement around and the most deployment of AI and knowledge is contact center operations. Now, businesses are looking at the biggest ROI area, which is self-service. Because if you can do self-service, you can not just drive efficiency, you can eliminate a whole bunch of customer contact with decent customer sat. And the third bit, which is just starting to bubble up, but I think will become really compelling, is with all the human capital we are freeing up in this process, applying that skill set, that talent, into service to sales engagement. Our assertion from here on is that knowledge quality drives AI output quality. I can tell you that many of you and your businesses have been working on AI projects, many AI projects, where the assumption of knowledge is, oh, that little bit of content that we can just make sure it's clean. That's the way knowledge has been positioned in most businesses that we have been talking to, where we are coming in after they've spent a year and a half, trying to just get that knowledge and content just about right and hold it right there, right? And if you don't have a high maturity capability of managing all that knowledge, guess what? The instructions you're feeding into your AI tools keeps drifting because the knowledge is changing. And so there is this whack-a-mole kind of approach to fixing knowledge. Doesn't work. Automate the entire life cycle of knowledge management, all the way from sourcing different silos of content inside your organization and capturing knowledge from conversations that are successful in your customer environment. Bring those knowledge artifacts in and synthesize and curate them with some human oversight, and then govern and manage them so you can ensure that only the right people are getting the right knowledge bits, the right access controls, and finally, personalizing and publishing it into different parts of your organization. Many of you who have been with us and we've been working with you and serving you with our solutions have been thinking of our solution mostly around the AI Knowledge Hub. Now we have kind of expanded that scope. The Knowledge Hub is still at the core of it, clearly. But then around that, we have created this Composer platform. And so what we are bringing now is a full stack solution to do end-to-end, all the way from creating and maintaining knowledge through to delivering this experience. This is very exciting for us. But that's not all. We are also making sure that you can plug and play with these things. What's interesting and important is all the different capabilities that we have out of the box that associate at each stage of this pipeline. So yes, we are building tools. Yes, we are offering technologies, but we are also consulting with our partners and customers on how to impact their business metrics. To us, that's the prize. And finally, yes, you can go build another chatbot. Yes, you can go active with another IVA that is standalone. But you sooner or later have to connect all these to a common, trusted, foundational capability of knowledge.